Ron, tell me the story about mad automation.
People forget this place used to be an insane asylum before Combi moved in. Each Halloween, the ghost of mad automation wreaks havoc here, avenging 66.6 years of being forced to build and pack poultry cases by hand. One year, there were dead chickens left on everyone's desks. Another year, the coffee pots were filled to the brim with blood.
Why are you both in such a hurry?
Someone left a brand new guillotine in the weld shop. We're gonna test it with this.
A guillotine? Holy cow, I gotta see this.
Walk, guys.
This is unbelievable.
Safety first.